Hi, pupils, and welcome to the channel Tennis Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn comparisons with as. If you want to know this topic, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So now let's see the objective. Students will learn how to form and use comparisons with as to express equality or inequality. The explanation says the structure as is used to compare two things that are equal or unequal in some way. Then we have positive comparison equal things. We use as plus adjective, adverb plus as to say that two things are the same. And we have here some examples. She's as tall as her brother. If you see here, we are comparing the how tall is her brother. This book is as interesting as the one I read last week. Then we have he runs as fast as a professional athlete. Then we have negative comparison, not equal things. We use not as plus adjective, adverb plus as to say that two things are not the same. This means that they are totally but totally different. For example, this hotel is not as expensive as the one we stayed at last time. Then we have my car is not as new as yours. He doesn't speak English as fluently as his sister. Then we have this other example. They are talking about one friend of them. She's as tall as her brother. And the boy says, yes. And she's as fast as him, too. So now, guys, it's time to make an activity time. Don't be afraid. I'm 100% sure that you already know the answers. And the exercise says complete the sentences using as. This test is difficult, the last one. Her dress is beautiful, mine. He plays the piano well, his teacher. What do you think that is missing in these sentences? I don't know, but if you do, write down below in the comments your answers and I'll be reading those comments. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button and subscribe. And please don't forget to write down below in the comments your answers. See you in the next lesson.